Iraipakidamak ahing yarek tu nangak liba Meira paibi singda nongmei Kapsanlamba aki akang pilip asi yaningde hyna Pechu Lampak Meira famkhre. Wafam asi ngarang numidang pung 10:30 tabada sakangdaba singna kar angobada laktuna Meira paibi singda atamnana nongmei round kya amarung kapsilakpa sida yaningdaba phongdoktuna ngasi thawongbu partu Pechu Lampak amadi khanarom lekaigi nupi singna iraipakidamak ahing yarek tu nangak liba Meira paibi singda nongmei Kapsanlamba aki akang pilip asi yaningdaba phongdoktuna phangkiba wakat mifam da pangmi singda phongdokibani. Makna makataraduna lamdam asida hojik irang nemthadana charang film amada lairingai cherak asida Meira paibi singda aki akang piriba asi akan mamongda kandem tawi amadi miyoi sing adu khudakta faduna dandi pigadabani haike tampaki mafam singda santi leire haina laujarabasu singa tainana lairiba mafam singda numit khudingi lepalaitana irang adumak thokle tampakta irang leite haina aki akang kaya piraklabasu lairiba ima ibel singna iraipak kanabagi damak hojiksu lepalaitana khungjang kaya ama sangsilaki gani haike Loinana Meira paibi singbu asok apan thokhandanaba thaudok asi akan mamongda kandem tawi Manipur integrity kaibi aroi hyna thaba placard kaya su sikzinaki.
We were sitting from last 3 months. We are protesting against such unwanted incidents here, and but yesterday night at around 11 p.m. some unknown people came at white color car, and they fired to this roadside woman. They were sitting at roadside and they fired, and it was not blank fire. They were pointing to the people, but luckily there was no injured, but it was not blank fire. Everyone have saw that, and we really condemn such unwanted incident. We want the related authority to look after it, and we want the related authority to look after it and do proper inquiry in this incident. For this incident, we really condemn, and today's protest is because of such unwanted incidents too, and we want to know that why they have done all these things to the local women who are really innocent. We don't have any guns and